Hi there, Jen here, back with another product reveal. Today I am sharing the 4x6 Dudley's Valentine clear stamp, and I love Dudley. He is one of my favorite characters. The artist is Dustin Pike, and I just love his images. So I was super excited to be able to do the reveal for this stamp set. There are three bigger stamps: the Dudley in a cup, the Dudley Cupid, and then the Dudley with a balloon and a rose. And then there is another image stamp with a heart and some wings. And then the sentiments are to my true love, be mine, and from your secret Cupid. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp an image and a sentiment out so you can see how easily they stamp. I'm just going to grab some pigment ink and one of the Dudley stamps that I'm going to be creating a card with. And the quality of Whimsy stamp is awesome. They stamp up very well. Myself, like most of us, probably use the Misty or some kind of stamping platform as a crutch because sometimes you just don't know if you're going to get a great stamp. But I've found that with stamping blocks, these work perfect. They stamp up really great the first time, so you don't have to worry about restamping. You can take these stamps right out of the package, ink to paper, and not have to do any conditioning or anything like that. And before I go, I just wanted to let you know that there will be links below to the products that I used on the sample card that I will be showing you. If you're interested in the process video for this Slimline card, I will have that up on the Whimsy YouTube channel on January 15th. So make sure to subscribe and click on that bell to get notified of when new videos are posted. Also, come join us in the Whimsy Facebook group, as well as on Pinterest and Instagram. We would love to see you over there. All those links are below as well. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon.